So today we're going to be doing a full review over the DUSK Air Jordan 5 A Ma Maniere, set to release November the 24th, man. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video, man. It's greatly appreciated. We haven't done a review on feet in a couple of days, man, so I had to break these things down. Definitely been something I myself been anticipating to throw on feet. And I know you guys are definitely going to enjoy the different pants, how we lace them, all that good stuff in the on feet portion, man. But if you guys are new to the channel right now, what I need everybody to do is go and hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and please leave a huge like on today's video, because it definitely shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content and it helps the channel grow, man. And let me know down below in the comment section if you hit on the Don Air Jordan 5 A Ma Maniere's that shock drop today over on A Ma Maniere's website, man. Me, myself, your boy got a huge W in that size 9, much anticipated cop this year. And it's looking like a lot of people are getting W's on their raffle and on this little shock drop they did on their website, man. So I'm very interested in knowing who all hit on the white pair of the A Ma Maniere Air Jordan 5s, man. All right, guys, so first things first, I definitely wanted to hit up on the box, man. You definitely have your A Ma Maniere logos all the way around the box. Everywhere you look, man, you got an A Ma Maniere logo. And then right here, you do have the Jumpman logo right here. And the official colorway reads Air Jordan 5 Retro SP Black, Burgundy, Crush, and Black. And I got these in a size 9. This is the men's pair. The white pair is a woman's exclusive, so you had to do that, conversion from men's to women's size, man. But these right here is a men's specific release, and we should be getting these on the Nike Sneakers app. I don't see why we wouldn't, but I don't think that the white pair is going to be dropping on the Nike Sneakers app, if I'm not mistaken. Inside the box real quick, you do have A Ma Maniere on the inside of the box. You do get a couple extra laces, which I'm going to show you guys in the sneaker. You got some sail laces, you got some black laces, and of course you do have the little lace locks that come with the sneaker to come in the shoelaces already. I went ahead and took them out already, but you will see B-roll with these joints attached to the sneaker. And bam, man, there you have them, bro. The Air Jordan 5 A Ma Maniere's, again, set to release November 24th. The retail tag is like $225, if I'm not mistaken, or $220. I did buy the white pair straight from A Ma Maniere's website, and I ended up paying like $270 altogether. That included shipping, that included the taxes and fees and all that good stuff, and of course the sneaker itself. But just give you guys a quick little 360 of the black pair right here. I feel like this is the most slept on one out of the two. I think the white pair is a little bit more sought after because it is that women's exclusive. Makes it a little bit more limited, and make it seem like a lot of people wanted to grab them joints today over on A Ma Maniere's website, man. So as you guys can see, you do have the huge A Ma Maniere logo on the tongue. Got the reflective tongues on both the sneakers. You guys can check that out. And this is how I laced up mines right here. I did not include the white laces that came with it. I felt like the sail laces gave it a nice hit, a nice pop. Given the fact that the outsoles of the A Ma Maniere's kind of give you that aged look, or not kinda, it does give you that aged look, man. And on the sides of the sneaker, you see where you have all the A Ma Maniere logos. This is also kind of giving you that, aged look, yellowing look, like you had it for about 10, 15 years, man. Something I thought would have been super dope if they did throw a A Ma Maniere logo on the back, but we just got the Nike Air on the left and the right sneaker. But it did twist it up on the tongue. Like I said, we're giving us a Jumpman on one sneaker, and then of course the logo on the left. It's just a small minor details like the 2-3 that's engraved into the nubuck on the side panel, just super dope, super crispy. It's a lot of other hidden details about this sneaker that a lot of people probably do not know about. For example, you have A Ma Maniere written on the air unit of the midsole, and like I mentioned a little bit ago, you have literally A Ma Maniere logos all right here where you usually get the regular translucent Cajun. All A Ma Maniere logos on the outer and on the inner side panels of the sneaker. And they didn't just stop with the outside of the sneaker as far as the details. Even the insoles have some really nice quality. They actually embroidered in the Nike Air on the insoles. I want you guys to let me know down below in the comment section, man, which lace style you're rocking out with more. The sail off-white laces, the black, or are you gonna be that person that throws in the white laces that also came attached with these Dusk Air Jordan 5. I feel like this was a much anticipated cop for your boy. I had to have them. I wanted the white and the black pair. So again, like I said, I got a W on the white pair on A Ma Maniere's website. You guys should be seeing a full review and on feed of the white pair very, very soon. Hopefully the shipment does not take forever. So on the back of the left tongue, you have A Ma Maniere on the back. And on the right sneaker, you actually have Michael Jordan's signature right here, as you guys can see. And it's made up of an entire upper of that black nubuck suede around the entire sneaker, man. All in all, great sneaker. Give you guys one more quick 360. Go ahead and rate these things 1 through 10. Definitely interested in seeing how you guys are feeling about them. Are you snagging them? Do you like the black pair better than white? Or is it vice versa? I cannot wait to read you guys' comments, seeing how you feel about these A Ma Maniere Air Jordan 5 Dusk. I appreciate all the support. Thanks for tapping in. More reviews and no feats will be coming very, very soon. Stay tuned. We got an early look for you guys coming shortly, and hopefully you guys are definitely copping the sneakers you've been wanting around this holiday season, man. Again, I appreciate all the support. Thanks for tapping in. With all this being said, man, your boy The Vintage is gonna catch you in the next video, man. Peace.